Hi there, I'm Tisha Ullman over at Paradux Media Group, and I wanted to take just a minute today to show you how to add a new page to your WordPress website. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and log in if you aren't, and then head over here in your dashboard set to the Pages item. And on it, you'll find the list of the current pages that are on your website. When you want to add a new one, there are two places to do it. You can either click Add New here underneath All Pages or Add New here next to the pages. It doesn't matter which one you choose, they both go to the same location. And what you find after you click that button is the dialog box to add a new page to your website. So the first thing that we enter is the title, and I'm going to call it My New Page. And then we're going to enter the content for our page. I've already written it, it's right here. And then just like we do for a post, we're going to work straight down the middle column. My next box in the middle column is WordPress SEO by Yoast. And if you haven't or don't know how to use WordPress SEO by Yoast, do check out the video on this website about how to use this box. It's a really powerful box when it comes to search engine optimization, and it's really worth your while, particularly for pages, to figure out how to use this to your best advantage. And then the last option here is, do I want to show the sharing buttons? And I do. As I swing on over to the right-hand column and work my way back up, the first option is Set a Featured Image. This is where I could set one image that is associated with this page when only one image is associated with the page. I'm not going to worry about that for this particular post, but if you care about that and want to learn about it, be sure to check out the video on how to add images on this website. The next section is this Page Attributes box, and this is a really powerful box. So for most of the time, the pages that you're adding will be top-level pages. In other words, they are not pages that are associated or children pages to other pages that exist. But sometimes you have a website that has a bunch of children pages involved in it. So for instance, on our website, Blog Series is a parent page, and underneath that, in sort of logical fashion, is the Brand Book Tutorial Series, the Facebook Series, the Marketing Plan Effectiveness Series, and WordPress Tutorials. Those are all sub or children pages to the Blog Series page. And the power of this is, as you know, if you go to our Blog Series page, in fact, let me pull that up for you. If you go to our Blog Series page, you'd find that it's automatically adding in all of the children pages to it. So it's got the Brand Book Tutorial Series, it's got the Facebook Series, the Strategic Plan Effectiveness, and the tutorials. And if I were to add another page as a child page to this blog series, because of the way this particular page is written, it will automatically add that in. Some of you may have that feature involved already on your website, and if you do, children pages is a super easy way to add new content to your site. So if you do, wonderful, use it. Just choose the parent that's appropriate. And if you don't and you want that functionality, let me know. We can get it installed on your website pretty simply, particularly if you're on a Genesis framework. And then the other question is template. And again, this is something that's pretty limited to the theme that you're on. You may or may not have options here around template. I actually have quite a few, but that's abnormal. One of the ones that you usually see is blog, which is sort of takes all the blog posts that you have and outputs it. Another very common one is archive, which just gives you some static text on the website. The rest of these on my website do special things, and on your website you might have some that do as well. So take a look at that. When in doubt, default template is the correct choice for you. And then the last option is order. And that's how we decide what order things sit in on the website. So if I go back to this blog tutorial series, you'd see that Brand Book is first, Facebook is second, Strategic Marketing is third, and WordPress is fourth. This happens to be sorting alphabetically, but I could have chosen to have this sort by order, and I could choose to set my order right here by simply typing 1, 3, 5, 10, whatever I want it to be. So if you have the website that needs that, you're good to go. If not, ignore it. 0 is a great number, nothing to worry about there. Come on up to your top publish box, and again, just like on a post, you can choose when this page goes live, either backwards or forwards. So pick the date that makes the most sense to you and go with it. and then go ahead and click OK. When you're ready to go, you're going to hit your blue Publish button, and it will take it live to the website. Once you have it live on the website, you may want to consider modifying your menu in order to get it to show up on your main menu navigation unit. And if you do, there's a great video on this website that will show you how to do that too. So I think that's it on how to add a new page. Go forth and add pages. It's a good thing to do. And if you have any questions at all, please, by all means, let us know. We'll take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.